Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Telegram account. So make sure you have downloaded your Telegram and open it. And over here, click on Start Messaging. Now enter your phone number over here. And click on Continue. Confirm your phone number if it is correct or not. And click on Continue. If your device has the phone number of your Telegram account, then you can directly reset your Telegram account. If your phone number is used in another device, then it will send you the reset code, and from over there you can enter the reset code by resetting it. So this was for this video. This is how you can reset Telegram account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.